Alright, how you guys doing? iLLbadaa, born in the gutter, came from his daddy, raised by his mother. Here we are with a unboxing of another smart device. Well, my first smart device unboxing video, so I have another one to do for the co-geek. But we'll talk about that later. This is the August smart lock, and as you can see, it's Apple HomeKit enabled. And I definitely wanted to really get a chance to weigh in and get to use. I've always dreamed about having an automated home, smart home, and do this with the August smart lock. Check this out. Give you a little closer look at it, and it kind of gives you, let you know this Apple HomeKit. Bam, bam, bam. We're gonna do an unboxing of it. Let's take a look at this joint. It looks like it's pretty well boxed here. Let's see. I have my HomeKit. Usually has like the HomeKit code on it. Let's see if we can slide this. This is usually the most funniest part. Let's go ahead and get something to take through that. For about 190 something. We had a little flash sale on Amazon, but then it went down to, or back up to 2. I went to Best Buy. Didn't have them in the stores, so I had to pay for it and have it mailed. And it came today, and it was 2 something. Ooh. It's about 229, and then I got like I always like to get the warranty with my joints, man. Anything ever happens, bam. Here we go. The August smart lock. You can see inside of it. It has the material there, all the paperwork, the self-starter guide. See if I can get this on the camera. Bam. Little welcome kit. Everybody's big on the boxing now, man. They realize that people, when they purchase something, they don't just want it thrown in the box. But that's that. Let me get another view. Yeah, there you go. And here goes the August smart lock itself. First impressions, it's pretty heavy. It feels like it's made out of something. It doesn't feel like just like some lightweight stuff. And there goes the smart lock itself. And then over here comes the plate that comes with it to install it. And these are the attachments based upon the kind of lock you got. You get a rod in the background, of course, Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and install this joint, and I'm gonna do a video about how it works. August smart lock. I'm showing my HomeKit information. Ooh, you can't see that. I have to blur that out. It's on there. And holla. August smart lock. HomeKit enabled. Check it out. Thank you for tuning in and checking that out. We're gonna have a lot more to come. A lot more unboxing as we get this home automation on the way. Apple HomeKit, holla, stay humble even when you're in trouble. Faith in God, don't give it to the devil.